Amateur gardening tips by Lizzie.
See all of those little assholes, they're trying to live in my leaves. Look how they destroy stuff. It's so horrible. Now that the rain stopped, I'm gonna give these guys a nice shampoo. Hi everyone. I've gotten a little crazy and put a headband on. A bunch of aphids living in my leaves. That's a bang. A bunch of aphids living in my leaves, and I like to destroy them and wash them away and give them a good shampoo. So I do that with an all-natural soap diluted, and then I just kind of touch all the leaves and massage them and then hose it all down. So that's what we're doing today. Aphid time. I like to. Now when looking for aphids, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is look behind your leaves. For some reason, oh, hi worms. See those? My worms really like to gather after the rain underneath the sliding doors. They don't have very, I don't know if they even have brains. Pretty stupid. Anyway, what I was saying is my aphids don't tend to really like my shard as much. They do hang out a bit on the shard, but it's mostly the kale. So I'm gonna start washing the kale. I wouldn't really want to eat chemicals, so if you use an all-natural organic soap, I don't think you have to worry about poisoning yourself or the people you. I bet my mom would have used Ajax back in the day. For people who don't know what Ajax is, you're younger than me. I know you guys have been interested in how many people have stopped following me since I started putting up my garden videos. And it's pretty significant. And the people who start watching my stories, who stop, people who stick with it, it's like a third. So those of you who are gonna stick to the end of this video, I don't understand why, but maybe you actually do garden. I'm sorry, I'm so boring. I like being in the inside here too. So you wanna massage that nice and well. It's giving us all something to do right now. Bless you. If you can see, spot the black aphid. What a fun game. So now I'm gonna get my hose and hose it down. They're all sudsy and soapy. No aphid will last after this until they come again. Real thing I should post is how terrible I am.
Why does she look like she's just like dying on the inside? She looks so exhausted. All that money, all that Marvel money in that magnificent house, and she just looks miserable. You need some yoga, some meditation in your life. Like, really. Jeez.
A hose. Anyway, that's it. That's how you get rid of aphids. For all of those who aren't listening anymore, I have another Secret Avengers thing for you. Our strawberries are growing. Our strawberries are growing. Our strawberries are growing.
Amateur gardening tips by Lizzie.